Good morning, everyone. We had a lot of rain yesterday, so it didn't film, and it turned out that in the evening it wasn't raining at all. So we did get out and got these OSB put on the garage wall, and I regret that it wasn't filmed, but tell you a little bit about this. You can see this blue line. What we did initially is we did a chalk line right there so that we had a guide to put the OSB up by, and then we started on this side and we did our 4x8 sheets this way, and then we came up this way and did our 4x8 sheets this way so that that wall has more structure to it, so it's more sound. Also, we put I don't know what the terms of things are because I'm not a construction person, but we put straps, metal straps, to connect the bottom plate to the studs. And then we did this wall. This is the inside. And it got so dark last night when we were over here, we couldn't really see what we were doing. But the same kind of thing, starting down here, we drew the, popped the chalk line. We did the short sheet here, followed by the long sheets, and then on top we have the long sheet. I think there'll be enough room for another long sheet. Here's our supervisor, Miss Jetta. We're going to do that, and then we have one side of the header here for the garage door openings, and we still are going to be finishing up those headers there, and then we'll be putting top plates on everything. This goes back into the cabin area. And this is our lumber yard. That's the, I don't know what they're called, but they go between the studs and the garage walls for extra support. And this is our lumber for our roof trusses and our roofing system and all that, whatever that's called. So, good morning, and we hope everyone, sorry about going so fast. I hope everyone has a blessed day.